Good morning, everyone. Oh,
Morning, Debbie. Happy Friday.
happy Friday. Thank you.
Good morning.
Can I tell you about the docket?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
On the first page, Gonzalez Osvaldo, the attorney called me this morning. There's no discovery. He wants me to reset it for next week. And Richard Garcia is taking Lopez Chavez. He's the attorney on that one. Page 2, at the bottom, Blake Rue. Gonna send that case back. There's still no offer. And they didn't have enough time to contact the CW. And on the third page, Crystal Sanchez, same, no discovery. I'm gonna reset it next week. That's all I have.
Sweet.
so I know it's a pain.
Good morning, Attorney Cross. Do you have an offer in your case?
I do have an offer, but I need to speak with my client, Mr. Perez.
Okay, one moment.
9 times out of 10. I said, so. Yeah. No big change, please no south.
Good morning, Attorney Benavides.
Good morning. I'm here on, Mr. Gomez.
Yes, Perez, Jose Gomez Perez, do you have an
Yes.
offer?
I need to go into a breakout room with my client. I just received this 2 days ago. I didn't even get an order of appointment and I need to meet with him first and find out what his situation is.
Okay, one moment, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, Attorney O'Donnell.
Good morning, Deborah. I do have an offer.
Okay, great, one moment. Good morning, Attorney Leland. McRae.
They have these ultra lights. They buy for like $80,000, right? And,
Good morning.
you don't have to have five lights.
Do you have an offer in your case?
I was trying to find it. I believe I was emailed, but I'm just not seeing it in my email right now. I'm trying to check the little folder.
Today's the ninth, right?
You want to go in the breakout room with the ADA?
Yes, please.
Okay. I'll put you in breakout room 6.
What did she say?
Pronounce your name? Attorney McRae.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning. I just need to get into a room with my client.
Okay, as soon as we get a breakout room available, you'll be next to go in one.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
I know that she's with Alex. He would not have been married.
Judge, this is Romana Jones for Attorney O'Donnell. Ready on a plea.
Okay.
All right, this is cause number 2025 CC 013542, State of Texas versus Ramona Jones. Are you Ramona Jones?
Yes.
All right, good morning. Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Jones. You can lower your hand. Ms. Jones, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you. You are charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury. Ms. Jones, that's a Class A misdemeanor. So the range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Barrett County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Jones, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent, and you have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. And what that means, Ms. Jones, is you could, if you wanted to, ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Ms. Jones, your attorney can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Ms. Jones, do you understand you have those rights?
Yes.
You also understand, Ms. Jones, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, I do.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Ms. Jones, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, I did.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, I do.
All right, great. Because the documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and you further understand you have all the trial rights we just talked about. But you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so that you can either enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case or let the judge decide what happens to you this morning. Is that what you'd like to do?
Yes.
All right, then I will approve your waiver and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Brian, is there a plea bargain or no?
There is, Your Honor. It's not judgment satisfied,
Okay.
but
Ms. Jones,
we want to take the deal. Yes.
Okay, got it. Ms. Jones, evidently you do have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Understood?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Jones, let's listen up. The state's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's for a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently.
Okay. Brian, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. My client, I think she has like 23 days in and she was a trustee. So we're hoping that she'll be released very, very soon.
All right, Ms. Jones, is that your agreement?
Yes.
All right, Brian, does Ms. Jones have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is she legally competent to waive her rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ramona Jones, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes.
Ms. Jones, please tell me how you pleaded the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Ms. Jones, you understand I could still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead that way?
No.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Jones. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of assault, bodily injury, a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero fine, the cost of court 30 days, 30 days in the Barrett County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served. Ms. Jones, this is a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Ms. Jones, do you have any questions?
No.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks, Brian.
Okay. Okay.
Deborah, would it be possible for me to go into the room with the prosecutor just briefly?
Yes, I'll put you in a breakout room. Breakout room 6.
Thank you.
What happened? or
We're
not?
ready on Pettis?
I just wanted to ask how many days credit he has.
And let me double check on him.
Like 15, I think, Deb, maybe? He had 13 when this docket was run on the 9th. Oh, no, maybe
yes.
14, maybe 14.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
no, wait, I'm looking at the wrong guy.
Let me
There
see.
should be more than
Bettis,
This guy's got 6.
6.
7.
Let me check
Okay.
Odyssey real quick.
I'll take the other.
Well, he's got 6 from this arrest, but this was a warrant from an FTA, and he spent several weeks for that. So I'm trying to decide whether we're gonna go open or just take the plea.
Okay, I'm checking.
The only reason that I'm wondering about even the over eagerness of the police officer was because what I did is I had my.
Okay, on the
Oh, you muted, Deborah.
Stop.
I'm sorry,
And
thank
I
you.
taken the girl, put it on my shoulder to go back and put it back on the shelf because I didn't have my cash.
Total confined 25 days, credit 50.
But.
Okay, perfect. All right, we'll just take the plea then.
Outside the store. I
We're ready.
had outside the store. That's the only thing that I'm.
All right, Deb, we ready on it? Yep.
Yes, Judge.
All right, it's 2025 CC 011045, State of Texas versus Mario Perez. Are you Mario Perez?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Perez. You can lower your hand. Mr. Perez, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of evading arrest or detention. That is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Perez, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. And what that means, sir, is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Mr. Perez, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Perez, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Perez, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
Great, because the documents tell me, sir, that you do understand what you're charged with. You understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr.
Yes.
Perez, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Perez, evidently you do have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Perez, listen up. State's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, State.
For a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently.
And that would be a judgment set, right, Alex?
That's right, Judge.
She just said she had 50 days or something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Alex, does Mr. Pettis have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
He does, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
He has, Judge.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
He is, Judge.
All right, Mr. Mario Pettis, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest or detention. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Pettis, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead that way, sir?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Pettis. I will accept that plea. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of evading arrest or detention, a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero fine to cost the court 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means, sir, that your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Pettis, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Pettis, any questions?
No, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck, sir.
God bless. Have a great
Thank you. I
day.
appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yeah, good seeing you, Alex.
All right. Have a good one. Thank you.
Attorney Silver?
Yes,
Good morning.
Good
Your client is on his way down. Do you need to speak with the ADA in the meantime?
I do. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Am I done?
Yeah, you're done, Mr. Pettis.
All right, thank you. So will I be released today or?
Yeah, it should be. The sooner they get you back, the sooner they release you, either today or in the morning.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
There's no paperwork. I couldn't pull anything up on him.
Attorney Benavides,
Yes, good morning.
morning.
I was wondering if I could speak with the judge. So this client, this client is not a citizen, and obviously he has an ICE hold. And I just received this 2 days ago, so I haven't had an opportunity. I tried to do a jail visit with him last night, a RAV visit, but they didn't bring him into the room. So today is the first day that I actually get to speak with him. And ordinarily I would ask for time so that he could at least, I can request a Padilla consultation through the MAC office and try to get that going. However, this client, I've explained all of that to him. And I've explained to him that I don't represent him on any immigration matters. I only represent him on the criminal case. But he's adamant that he wants to enter a plea and he wants to get this case closed out because he knows they are going to deport him and he wants to go back to Mexico as soon as possible. So I just wanted to run that by the judge. I know some judges are very, very strict about allowing them to have the opportunity to have a Padilla consultation before they enter a plea.
No, I'm not one of those judges, Alma. If he wants to plead and go back home, he can do it. Now,
Okay.
the question will be, Talia, it looks like he's only got about, 14 days. You're probably going to ask for more. Are you okay with them going open since he has an ICE hold, or are you going to request a jury trial?
Talia's in the breakout room 6 with Attorney Silver.
Alma, if you could maybe go into 6 and talk to her. If she's okay with an open plea, then I can do it, but she might not be. She might request a jury trial and then we're stuck.
Oh, Judge, there's Talia. There's Miss Trish.
Yeah.
Judge.
Talia, Alma has a client who's got an ICE hold, who does not want a consultation for a Padilla letter. He just wants to go back to Mexico. But I understand you're probably asking more than the 14 days because it's a DWI 0.15.
Where am I going?
So I guess the question I have for you, Talia, is are you going to request a jury trial? Or are you okay with, since there's an ICE hold with the guy just pleading open?
I'm okay with an open plea, Your Honor.
Okay, fair enough. Then yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, well, thank you, Judge. I appreciate that. The second issue that I'm having is I've been signing the paperwork but it will not allow me to complete it. There's, on the very last page on the voucher, it's asking for contact, and I put in the date, 10/9/2025, but it will not accept. It keeps telling me to enter a valid date.
Today's ten
Yes,
ten.
it's the,
Yeah, I know, but I tried to do a RAV visit with him last night, which was
Oh,
it
the
depends, it's, are you putting slashes or dashes for the date?
dashes.
Okay, put slashes and try it
Put-
that way.
Okay.
wow.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
exactly.
But I couldn't have helped you
There
on
is a
that one.
diff-
That's for damn sure.
There is a
Okay, that did it.
difference.
That's the
Yeah.
winner.
Yeah, that is a
Okay.
difference.
All right,
Sorry
so
about
I've
that.
completed all the paperwork. I just need to go back into the breakout room so I can walk my client through the paperwork.
Okay, breakout room 1.
Thank you.
Oh, we need
Attorney,
we need an
And-
interpreter probably. too, right?
Yes, we need an
Yes.
interpreter.
I'll call for an interpreter. Attorney McRae, you'll need to move yourself back into breakout room 3.
Okay, how do I do? I'm trying to figure
Just
out.
look for the 3 dots and scroll down till you see breakout room 3.
Okay.
Hey, Deb, could you mind? Can you come here? I got a problem with my computer here.
Yes.
I can't do the interpretation because I'll show you.
Okay. Let me see.
Miss Silver, I forgot to let you know, when you're going over the paperwork with your client on the data sheet, I need an address, phone number, email if he has one. All that other stuff he doesn't have to complete, and a reference if he has one.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Ma'am?
Attorney, good morning, Attorney Garcia. Do you have an offer in your case?
No, it's an MTR.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put you in breakout room with,
Space my last name.
Miss Trish.
Different, should be there, you said.
Hello?
Yes, Attorney Benavides.
I need to go to breakout room 2, not 1.
Oh, I'm sorry.
They moved him to 2.
They moved him to 2? Okay.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wait a minute. Let's see.
Attorney Silver, do you have an offer?
I do. I think I'm just waiting on my
I
guy.
still don't see it.
Okay, yes, we're still waiting on him to come down. Sorry about that.
No problem, Mike. I do have an offer. We're ready to go.
And then,
Okay,
and now
Hey, Deborah, for some reason, this plea packet is not showing up in the Gmail. The deputy's making me search myself. Usually they pull it up for me, but for whatever reason, we're not finding it in the Gmail account.
Yeah, it's not there.
In your Gmail account?
No, in whatever the jail uses that they have on the screen there for the inmates.
So did you filled out your part of the paperwork?
Correct.
Let me check it.
Hello?
He'll come back in just a moment, because we don't have your paperwork to pull it out.
Okay, let me try something. For some,
He said something like that, I don't know if I'm gonna, it sounded like he said he's not gonna come back to this your job or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
let me check.
I have no idea.
I just have a
Hey.
quick question.
Attorney Leland, did you hit send?
Yeah, it shows on my end that it has been sent.
Okay, I'm not showing. I see that you signed it, but I'm not,
Right. That's what I'm saying. So
but you need to hit, and you did hit send because it's
correct.
still showing
When I
in
try to
your,
log back into the document, it already says it's been completed. So I can't
it's
even
still
go back.
showing in your Gmail.
Right. You sent the reminder one. I did the reminder one. Yeah. Right.
Yes.
So that's been completed. I can show you my screen where I click on it and it shows, hey, the document has already been signed. Because I know I signed it and I picked finish and it said it was completed. And then I'm clicking back on it. You know how you go back and try to click on it and it's already been done? It'll let you know it's done. It's doing that for me as well. It's in it's in the mailbox. I saw it. And then he clicked on something, then it went away. But it's in that inbox.
Okay, there's two cases. Did you fill out paperwork on both cases?
The other cases are being dismissed. I only filled out the one for which he's gonna plead to.
Okay,
It's not there.
no, I'm not showing. I'm showing it still with Leland McRae Gmail. I'm not showing it being let me look at it.
Hey, Deb, did we call for an interpreter so we can do this, please?
Yes, Judge, I called for an interpreter. Let me
Not here
see.
yet?
Let me see. I don't know where it's at. Oh, okay, go check it. Can you check it now? It should be there now. I see it.
Okay. Try it again.
Did you find it?
I had to go back to the breakout room. She had given me quote unquote control of the screen to use the Gmail or whatever that was. My Zoom is acting a little weird right now.
Oh, there it is, right there.
Okay, we have the paperwork here now. Do you want to go back in there, Attorney McRae?
If you could send me back, because my Zoom is just not allowing me to click on anything.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you out of breakout room 3, put you in 4, then I'm gonna send you back to 3, okay?
Okay.
Open the door, please.
Attorney Benavides, I'm sorry, did you have a question?
No, I was just trying to make sure I did it correctly. I was selecting the translation app. I just want to make sure I did it correct.
Okay, hold on. Judge, she says she's logging in right now, the interpreter.
Yes.
Just a click here.
Judge, did you get your interpretation button working?
Yeah, I'm just waiting on the interpreter.
Okay.
Sí. Sí, está bien.
Okay, we good, Arlene? Yeah, gotcha. All right, thank you. This is County Court Case 664-763, State of Texas versus Jose Perez Gomez. Are you Jose Perez Gomez?
Sí.
Good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí.
Thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Perez Gomez, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Sí.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood or breath alcohol level of 0.15 or higher. That is a Class A misdemeanor. So it is punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Sí.
All right, Mr. Gomez Perez, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent, and you have the right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. What that means, sir, is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, sir, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as she would like on your behalf. Do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Sí.
Do you also understand, Mr. Perez, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Sí.
Okay, but if you want to give up your rights, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. All right, Mr. Perez Gomez, did you go over this paperwork with your attorney before you signed it?
Sí.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Sí.
All right, great, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But this paperwork tells me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so that you can either enter into an agreement with the state of Texas in this case, or let the judge, myself, decide what happens to you this morning. Is that what you would like to do, sir?
Sí.
All right, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Hey, Alma, is his name Gomez Perez or Perez Gomez?
He says it's Jose Perez Gomez.
Okay, got it. Thank you. It's different on both sheets. So, all right, he does not have a plea bargain, right?
No, Your Honor, we're going open to the court.
All right, Mr. Perez Gomez, you do not have a plea bargain in this case. What will happen now, sir, is the state of Texas will tell me how many days they want, and then your lawyer will get to argue on your behalf. I will tell you this. I will not go above the state, what the state wants, but I could go below that. Do you understand, sir?
Sí.
Okay, great. Talia, sorry, what is it you want from Mr. Perez Gomez?
We're asking for 60 days, Your Honor.
Okay, and Alma?
Your Honor, I'm asking the court to consider giving him time served and satisfying his judgment today. He does have an INS hold, and he's indicated to me that he wishes to go back to Mexico as soon as possible. And I
Okay.
don't believe he has any prior offenses.
All right, he's got 14 days, looks like.
I think he's got 13 or 14.
Well, yeah, 13 yesterday when they printed the docket, so
Okay, so he should have 14.
14 days. Okay. Okay, Alma, does Mr. Perez Gomez have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
I believe he is.
Okay, Mr. Jose Perez Gomez, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
No.
Do you understand, sir, that a plea on a case like this could have serious adverse effects upon your immigration status?
Sí.
All right, sir. Then please tell me, Mr. Perez Gomez, how do you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood or breath alcohol level of 0.15 or higher? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Do you understand, sir, that I could still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Sí, sí entiendo.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead that way?
No.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Sí, claro que sí.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Perez Gomez. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of driving while intoxicated with a blood or breath alcohol level of 0.15 or higher, which is a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court 14 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means, Mr. Perez Gomez, your judgment is satisfied by the time that you've already served. Mr. Perez Gomez, I actually did better than the plea bargain offer. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Perez Gomez, do you have any questions, sir?
No.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay safe. Safe travels, all right? Thank you, Alma.
Thank you, Judge.
Sí,
Good to
gracias.
see you. Good to
You're welcome,
see you.
sir. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Ok, gracias. Ya puedo
Buena
retirar.
suerte. Buena
Sí.
suerte.
Sí, gracias.
A ti también. Gracias.
Gracias.
Judge, the next client, he's a Spanish speaker also, is going to be Lopez Chavez for Attorney Garcia.
Okay. What's going on with this one, guys? You want to tell me? Is it just a revocation?
Yes, Judge, he expired and apparently he only has 14 days, but he has holds in another county.
All right, so wait, it's a revocation, but you're going
Sí.
open? Richard?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, gotcha. Okay. All right, hang on a second. All right, it's clause number, hang on, let me pull it up. Clause number 630924, State of Texas versus Gabriel Lopez Chavez. Are you Gabriel Lopez Chavez?
Sí.
All right, good morning, sir. Excuse
morning.
me. Could you raise, hey, wait, that was English. Did I just,
Oye, Guadalupe, te dije que todo.
could you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so
Okay.
help you God?
Sí, lo juro.
All right, thank you, Mr. Lopez Chavez. You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Lopez Chavez, is it okay with you that we proceed with your motion to revoke hearing by video conference?
Sí, su señoría.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Lopez Chavez, it appears that you were placed on deferred adjudication for a period of 18 months on the 27th day of September 2022 for driving while intoxicated. Does that sound right, sir?
Sí, señor.
The state, as you know, has filed a motion to adjudicate you guilty and revoke that community supervision. Mr. Lopez Chavez, they're going to read an allegation to you right now. I want you to listen to it. Make sure you understand it, because then I'm going to ask you if it's true or not true. Okay?
Okay.
All right, Talia, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state is alleging a violation of condition number 4, that in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Gabriel Lopez Chavez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of October and November 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
Mr. Lopez Chavez, do you understand that allegation against you, sir?
Sí, sí.
Is it true or not true?
Sí, es cierto, su señoría.
Thank you very much. State, you going to proceed on any others?
No, Your Honor, we waive the remainder of the violations.
Okay. Mr. Lopez Chavez, do you understand, sir, that a plea of true means that I could find you guilty in this case and revoke your community supervision? Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead true?
No, su señoría.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, thank you, Mr. Lopez Chavez. There's no agreement, right? Talia, what is it you'd like?
30 days.
30 days, okay. And Richard?
Judge, it's my understanding that he has 14 days in Bexar County, but he had other days in the other county, and he is a resident, doesn't have an ICE hold, according to him, but we would ask that you satisfy the judgment.
Okay, so 14 days.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Lopez Chavez, I do find it is true you violated condition number 4 of your deferred adjudication. At this time, I find you guilty of the offense of driving while intoxicated, a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, to cost of court 14 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court at the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, sir. So your judgment in this case is satisfied by the time you've already served. This was an adjudication of guilt. Following a deferred, Mr. Lopez Chavez, you do have limited rights to appeal, which your lawyer could further advise you about. Mr. Lopez Chavez, do you have any questions, sir?
No, su señoría.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well, all right?
Gracias, buenos días.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Richard.
How many days again, Judge? I'm sorry. missed it.
14 days.
Gracias.
De nada.
Judge,
All right.
next is
We still need
Myron.
Deb, do we still need the interpreter?
No, we do not.
You sure?
I'm sure.
It's really hard to get her this morning. I don't want to cut her loose, if you know what I mean.
No, I checked the bond docket also.
All right,
No, we don't
Arlene, have a
need
great
it.
weekend. I got you. I'm only playing with you. All right, let's get Mr. Let's get to Mr. let's see.
Next is Attorney McRae's client.
Got it. 2025 CC 013-845, State of Texas versus Myron P. Hut. Is it P. Hut?
Pie Hut.
Hi, I apologize. Pie Hut. Good morning, sir. Could you raise
Good
your
morning.
right hand? Could you raise your right hand, please, sir? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Thank you very much, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Pie Hut, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. You are charged with the offense of theft, 100 to 750 in this case. That is a Class B misdemeanor, Mr. Pie Hut. So the range of punishment is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand, sir?
From what you're saying, yes, I do.
All right, Mr. Pie Hut, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent, and you have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. So, Mr. Pie Hut, what that means, sir, is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Mr. Pie Hut, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Pie Hut, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, sir, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork for me that I'll share with you right now called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Pie Hut, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yeah, this certain one I didn't. If this is a new one, no, I haven't. But if it's in lieu of, it's in recognition of the one I signed earlier, I guess I did. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm blocking your signature. Your signature's right up here. Apologies. Hang on.
Okay.
See your signature right here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, and what this paperwork tells me, Mr. Pie Hut, is that you understand what you're charged with. You understand the range of punishment, and you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But you're telling me in this paperwork that you want to give up those rights or waive them so that you can either enter into an agreement with the state of Texas in this case, or let the judge, myself, decide what happens to you this morning. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right. Wonderful. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Leland, is there a plea bargain? No, right?
That's credit for time served. They're going to have him plead to one and dismiss two.
Yeah, I know, but is there a plea bargain, Talia, or he's got like
Yes.
18 days?
I'm sorry, Judge.
It's okay. I just need to know if there's a plea bargain. If not,
No.
then it's an open.
No, it's open.
It's an open plea. All right, Mr. Pilot, you do not have a plea bargain in this case, meaning the state wants more time than what you've got in right now. Now, I will tell you this. They'll tell me what they want, and then I'll let your lawyer talk. I will not go over what they want, but I can go under. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You still want to proceed?
Yes, sir. Because yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you do. Okay. All right. Talia, what is it you want?
Your Honor, the state's offer is 30 days Bexar County Jail and taking into consideration and dismissing 2025 CC 009310, which is the criminal trespass. In addition, rejecting 2025 PF 23779, which is the possession controlled substance PG 2A less than 2 ounces.
Hang on, let me get that PF number 23779, right? All right, and Leland, what is it you want me to do, Len?
Just credit for time served and also taking into consideration those two cases.
All right, Leland, does Mr. Piehut have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Myron Piehut, are you a citizen of the United States of America, sir?
Yes, I was born in Chicago.
All right, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft 100 to 750. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Not guilty.
Not guilty?
Right.
So you don't want to get into this agreement?
Well, yeah. I guess I do want to get. Okay. I misunderstood.
He meant to say no contest, Judge.
No contest?
Yeah. That's what I meant to say. No contest. Yes.
No contest. All right. No contest. I could still find you guilty. Understand?
I understand, sir.
All right. Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead that way?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Piehut. I will accept that plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty in this case, which is 2025 CC 013845 of theft 100 to 750. I assess punishment at zero fine. The cost of court 18 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served. The judgment in this case is satisfied. I will also take into consideration and dismiss 2025 CC 009310 and 2025 PF 23779. This was not a plea bargain. However, sir, I did better than what the state wanted. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Piehut, you got any questions?
None at the moment.
All right. What's the last time you get to talk to me?
I hope. Yeah, I intend this the last time I talked to any judge concerning anything. Yes.
Are you Cubs or White Sox?
Cubs.
Oh, Jesus, let's get you out today. There's a game you need to watch, isn't there?
I should hope so.
All right, man. Take care of yourself. Stay well. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
So what's up?
That's it. You're done.
I'm out of here.
You're out of here.
And I'll be out of the jail today.
Yeah, hopefully they'll get you out today, if not early in the morning.
Thank you kindly.
All right, take care of yourself.
All right, bye-bye.
What was it, Larry?
Do you need to make an announcement?
I wasn't exactly hearing everything that you were saying.
They haven't received it during.
Attorney Levinstein, do you need to make an announcement?
Yes, I went to the breakout room. I found the offer for Mr. Caraco and I went to the breakout room, but he won't put the headphones on and he's refusing to talk to me.
Well, can you blame? I mean, no, wait a second.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. It's been one of those
I'm
weeks.
just playing with you. You know I love you.
So I can't, if we could do this without him, it would be fine, but we can't.
Can't do it. So we'll put him as a refused?
Yes.
All right.
And then I have another one, Raul Aguilar.
Hey, Brenda, that's mine, but if you want to cover.
No. Well, I guess maybe I didn't read the email right. That's okay. You take it, Lori.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Why don't you take the other guy that won't talk to her too?
Maybe he'll talk to Lorraine.
Oh, I doubt that.
She's got a prettier face than I do.
I don't know. I think we're about the same level of meanness.
All right. Well, I guess I'm going to go then. See you guys.
All right, bye, Deb.
All right, thank you.
Have a good weekend.
He's in two, but there's no.
You too. Thank you.
All right, Brenda's gone. So what do we got?
Judge, on Saul Benitez, he is MIA. We cannot locate him. Attorney Silver?
Huh?
You can't find an inmate?
Yeah, exactly. Sorry about that. Do you want me to reset it to Tuesday or Wednesday?
Are you showing him in our jail at all? I thought he was in Harris County. And that was a couple of days ago, and I didn't think that Harris County would handle their cases by then.
Let me see.
There you go, Deb. You just found him.
Yeah, Attorney Barelli?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, it's the deputy. We contacted the unit and had him sent down, but sometimes these inmates tend to wander instead of going where they need to go. So unfortunately, we've called several sections and they are not able to locate him.
He is here though at this.
He is here?
Yeah,
Okay.
he's in custody here, obviously, but he's sometimes they just tend to wander.
Okay. All right.
Right, so that, Deb, does that leave just Lorraine?
Yes, Judge. And I
All right,
sent her
Lorraine.
a reminder on her paperwork.
All right. that's
Ms.
gonna be
Efron, if you can go back in breakout room 2 with your client.
Yeah, I will. But what's his charge again?
laser pointer, illuminating.
Oh, right. Okay, right. Okay. Thank you.
Attorney Silver, did you want me to reset this to next week?
Yeah, let's do that. I mean, they'll find him by next week, I suppose.
Let's hope so.
I hope so. Somebody's
Whatever
knocking.
day is fine.
Is it locked, Benny?
One moment, he may have found his way down. Let me check if this is him. Okay, no, sorry, that was not him. Do you want me to reset it for next Tuesday or Wednesday?
Whichever one sounds fine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'll send you notice.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
You
Bye-bye.
want to do
Sorry
the
about
bonds? Richard's here?
that. Let me get pre-trial.
Oh, they're not here yet?